Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to edit city video easy guide. Start by mapping your story and choosing neighborhoods that support your theme. Gather establishing shots, details, and motion to create contrast. Organize clips by mood and light to simplify edits. Build a rough sequence and trim aggressively to maintain pace. Use music to drive tempo and color grading to unify scenes for a polished urban look. In this video, I will show how to edit city video easy guide. Create a rough cut first to lock your structure without obsessing over details. Then refine timing, transitions, and color to elevate the narrative. Match key moments to the music to heighten emotional impact and keep viewers engaged. Remove anything that distracts from flow and balance wide shots with close details to maintain visual interest throughout the edit. In this video, I will show how to edit city video easy guide. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it hilariously helpful while you sit editing 10-hour city time-lapses. It picks up hair and crumbs so your workspace stays tidy without interrupting creative flow. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to edit city video easy guide. Start color grading with exposure and white balance to match shots across different cameras. Use a subtle LUT or manual adjustments to keep tones natural but consistent. For audio, mix ambient street sound beneath music to preserve atmosphere while guiding emotion. Clean up noisy clips and add light transitions to smooth scene changes for a professional urban presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.